Hello YouTubers, this is Inflicted1 here to make a video about cordless wireless phones that emit microwaves. I wanted to tell you that they're worse than cell phones because I measured them all, and they're even worse than smart meters because smart meters pulse. The level is much lower than this, and this is because I have it shielded. I'm about 18 to 20 inches away and it's shielded. It's producing 10.76. It depends on where I move this. Now it's 16, 17, 18 milliwatts at its best, minus 15 dBm. Now here are the little lights. That's right below the red light, and the red light always means danger. But of course it would be hitting the red light if I didn't have it shielded. Let me show you. Let me take it off close up. See, this is the shielding on top of it. Let me take you back and let me show you what it is right by it. It's minus 10 dBm. It's emitting 53.51 and it is in the red. Okay, now let me take the shielding off. Alright, it's much worse now. It's 0.06, 0.05. The lower it goes, the more it is. And of course the milliwatts give you an indication. 155. The other day I had it up to about 100. I mean, it went all the way up to 300. It's definitely in the red. Almost the third red light. Let me put it over here to the side. It probably is maybe worse. Let's see. Depends on where you put it. No. Getting 69. Okay. The thing is, if you're in an office, you're getting this constantly. And you know, with a smart meter, sometimes you have several walls, or at least one wall, and it only spikes. And it's actually much lower when it isn't spiking, the smart meter. The smart meter is just like this at its spike. So cordless wireless microphone, cordless wireless phones emit a constant microwave radiation even when you're not using them, like this. I don't see the point of that. There's really no reason why it should be doing this. This is not the charge. This is not it being charged. This is actually emitting the microwaves for no reason. But there you go. Here's a smart meter. By comparison, smart meters pulse. They don't really send out a lot of EMF. Here's the meter here. There's a graph where it's spiking. Every once in a while it spikes. There it is again. So it's normally at minus 46 dBm, 0.0129 milliwatts, and then it'll spike up to, I don't know what that is, but the wireless phone is much worse, because where it spikes is where the wireless microwave phone is always at. And you're always, you know, if you're seated right by it, you're always by it. These are far away. Okay, we're going to make a comparison as well as to the cell phones. It does seem like cell phones do spike from time to time, even if you're not doing anything. So, see the spikes there? And this is not background or from the neighbor's smart meters. The smart meter that I measured, the highs were 1.15 to about 1.6 milliwatts. M2, these aren't background spikes. This is actually coming from my cell phone, the HTC Sprint. But when you start using it, that's when it starts really going a little more. See, right there, it's red lighting. Turn on the Google. That's when it's going to start spiking. There it is. 0.02. Yeah, 348 milliwatts. That is a lot. So when you're putting this to your ear, it's hitting you with radiation. Yeah, see that the graph? There it is. Okay, now you know.